You're watching Faheem Shaheen. Hey, learn the poem. Open a book in English. Let's go. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous words you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I shall read to you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.